Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to change text height. So you can create text by using the text command. Okay, I will create here, like into 20 for height. And for rotation 0, you can type sample. Click outside and press escape button to close. Now if you want to change the text height, you can select the text object and then go to the properties bar. And in the text option, you can change height in it. Like I will set into 10 point and press enter to set into 10. Or you can change again, slide into 25, press enter again to apply. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to change text height.